Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech Booth with me, Prince, and today I'm just going to do a very short tutorial on replacing the mod dial. It is getting out of focus a bit, but yeah, you can see I lost the mod dial for my 70D. Couldn't find it anywhere, so you can't tell which mode you're on except when you look through the viewfinder. So I need to replace that. So in my case, I couldn't find the old one, so I just bought one off Amazon. You can get this for every model of camera. So this is for this Canon, and I'm just going to use a little bit of super glue and apply it with a matchstick so that I don't put super glue everywhere. And I'm just going to put this back where it's supposed to be. Now when you're putting this back, there are two ways that you can be sure you're putting it back the right way. If you look closely on the auto section, there's a little notch just there, and this notch corresponds to another notch. There's a small notch right there that corresponds to this notch. So when you put this back on, it should clip right back in, and you can use the back of your camera. Just switch this on to check that you're in the right mode. So right now it's the M, the manual mode is what's aligned, and confirmed is the manual mode. Okay, so make sure you align this properly when you're putting it back on. One thing you have to be careful is with the 70D, for you to be able to move this mod dial, go this way, you have to press this in. So you have to make sure that you do not put any glue on the inside where this mechanism moves, and sometimes it can be tricky to use, get too much on. So I have my small work surface here from the matchstick. Put just a little bit of, yeah, I have some glue, and then just apply it on those surfaces outside. And then make sure this is aligned. Just put some pressure on it for a short time so that and there you go. The mod dial is replaced.